Hi friends! Today I'm going to be showing how to sun-dry and aging the umeboshi. We prepared ume before sun-drying last week. This is the second video for umeboshi making. Here is a quick review of last week's video. For the simple umeboshi, toss in a small amount of alcohol to sterilize, alternating 12% of salt in the container and press with the weight with the same weight or heavier. Here is sweet and sour ume. Add 12% of the salt and fill it up with the bottled water and leave it until the rainy season is over or at least 10 days. For the honey umeboshi, add 10% of salt and 10% of the honey. The honey should be added in 3 stages. Pick up the day you can sun-dry ume for 3 days in a row. In the morning of the first day, place ume on the sushi mat or bamboo tray. I used to have a huge bamboo mat for the umeboshi, but I don't want to keep it all year long just for 3 days of sun drying. And sun dry until noon. Flip it over and continue sun drying for the rest of the day. Take them inside before sunset. The second day is a little bit cloudy but with enough sunlight to sun drying. Flip them over at noon and continue sun drying for the rest of the day. Take them inside the same as the first day. On the third day, we are going to sun dry in the daylight and leave it all night long. It is said that the night dew makes the skin of the umeboshi soft and even tastier. These are the umeboshi in the morning on the following day. You can see the dew on the surface of the umeboshi. It looks really divine and it's going to be a good umeboshi. Now we are going on to the aging stage. The umeboshi is really salty at this point, but after the aging, it tastes milder and the taste becomes comfortable. And just transferring into a sterilized glass container and leave it for at least 3 months to a year. This is my honey umeboshi. It's my first time to make honey umeboshi, so I can't wait to taste it. Last but not least, we are going to make a sweet and sour umeboshi. Take out the red-Shiso leaves we prepared a week ago and put it into a glass bowl. Fluff up with a cup of rice vinegar and it will make a bright red brine. Transfer the sun-dried brined ume in a container and alternate with the rock sugar and red-Shiso leaves. Fill it up with the rice vinegar. The red-Shiso leaves will make the brine bright red in a few days. You can enjoy the sweet and sour umeboshi in 3 months or a year. Better taking out the red-Shiso out of the brine after 6 months. Leave it at a cool, dark place. Keep the liquid from the plum. Pass through a sieve and keep it in a refrigerator. It will make a great salad dressing and you can make sushi rice with it. I like to make a salad dressing with soy milk. Just mix it up with 1 part of the liquid and 5 parts of soy milk. For me, it's the taste of summer. Look at this, my umeboshi collection. I made this 2 years ago, and this one is made of 10% salt and 10% rock sugar, and shiso leaves for the aroma and the color. I remember that my grandmother enjoyed umeboshi for her tea time with green tea. Umeboshi has a strong antibacterial effect and recovers from fatigue. I hope you enjoyed this episode, and if you find Japanese plum, just give it a try. Thank you for watching the video. Give me a big thumbs up and share the video with your friends and families. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so already. Follow me on the social media and tag me on your post if you give it a try. And go to my website for the printable recipe and more information. And my store on Amazon has pretty much everything that I'm using in my video. Stay safe and stay healthy, and I will see you soon. Bye!